Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome back to the program. Welcome back to Top Black TV. If you're new to the channel, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever Top Black TV drops another video. Bro God, why you so wicked? Yo, to change your name from Andrew Coldness to Andrew Coldness. Yo, bro God, you're cool. You win the election, and the very people who put you back in power, you suck it to them as you win. So you talk about free for everybody. You're out with Bill Gates, who openly say the world needs to be depopulated.
We'll have a lot of unusual measures until we get the world vaccinated. 7 billion people, 7 billion people, 7 billion people, that's a tall order. But it is where we need to get to. It is where we need to get to, despite a lot of things in between now and then, to minimize the damage, to minimize the damage, to minimize the damage.
And you say, okay, no problem. I'll give it to my people. Your own health minister come out and say the vaccine is not even registered in its country or place of origin. So the place where the vaccine come from, it they even registered this so. And you want to take it from them, give it to your people. So wait there. Why it can't stay wait there for the people where they wait it there? Why it have to travel all the way to Jamaica? And why you allow it? Andrew Coldness. Africa have to run them. Now you have Donald Trump claim say him get the virus. And within 3 days, him alright. Him coming like Jesus. Them say the man critical, close to dead. And in 3 days, the man come out and tear off the mask. So if you ask me, something up. Because if the president of the US actually gets COVID and come back out like nothing happened, what you need for use Jamaican people as guinea pig for? I ask again, if you and your family are going to take the vaccine first. See, the president of the US there claims say him take some thing and it works. So if anything, at that, they might give the people them. You know, where you going to do? Give the people them something you don't know about, something you never try by yourself and your family, something that's not even registered in its country of origin. Andrew Coldness. Oh, it's so wicked. Huh? Does Jamaica have the highest death rate or something? Is Jamaica posing the most risk? What go on? I understand why you agree to Jamaica first. Andrew Coldness. Me I gotta ask you for really, but then again, you probably make the deal with the devil already, so there's no way you can even turn back.
Wednesday, September 16th, 2020. Please Jamaicans listen carefully. Jamaica's election was financed by none other than Bill Gates. In return, Jamaicans are to be used for the COVID trial vaccine that he developed. This is the same vaccine they wanted to try on the African nations, but there was an outcry in Africa. Jamaica's recent election was a concerted effort to ensure that the government got the 2/3 majority puppets in parliament to write the mandatory vaccine into law and pass the law. So eventually the public will be forced to take this vaccine as mandatory, because it will be law. Jamaica is a trial run and tied to the rollout to the world. The Rastafarians have been speaking out. Why do you think Jamaica's CV-19 case numbers have been going up? This fear factor is put out there, so Jamaicans run to take the vaccine. There will be a lot of noise, but the Jamaican Parliament is going to state its law. Do you see part of their agenda now? You won't even be able to travel overseas without taking this vaccine. Also remember, Jamaica and the rest of the world are owned and controlled by the World Bank, IMF, and the UN, due to the unfair debt practices from the money masters who have indebted all countries of the world.
I guess it's up to the people them now. What them I gonna do? The Marin them already take to the streets. I said that now go work.
Marin was in the streets, people. 12 tribe of Israel. Zion, them alive.
Them a lion! Them sell out the people and sell out the land! I'm gonna kill off 1.5 million owner! All because of mass!
People, the people must talk in, the people must come out. You understand?
Illuminati ritual and make una do. Social distancing and 6 feet apart and mask wearing an Illuminati ritual. Jamaicans, wake up! Wake up, my people! And Illuminati! No to Bill Gates! Africa dash them all, them come at Jamaica. No to Bill Gates! Tell Bill Gates to go and go vaccinate him mama and him papa and him wife and him pitney them. Run with Bill Gates! Our leaders, them too licky.
Doing it because they know our leaders are rubbish.
No to foreign aid. Foreign aid come with all kind of miserableness. A vaccine never coming. Foreign aid and the vaccine. Run them way. Run them way. No to the need. No to the new world. No to the new world. No to Bill Gates. Africa run them out. Africa run
Like
them
and
out.
share
And them
people.
come here, so. Africa run them out. Them come at Jamaica Arena. But them a set up camp for vaccinate the people them. When run them out.
Andrew Wallace are wicked.
And the world is so wicked. The whole of the government them are wicked. Them sell we out. Them sell we out.
No testers, we are no testers.
We are not love rats.
People
We don't love rats. We are not guinea pig. I took up your mother.
Save. Yes, people. No labrat. Yeah. All of a family, no labrat. All of a family, no labrat. Yes, come on. These are the real people.
Ask you a question, sir. Is a lion. Oh, when you find out what you're about to do, people them who want you in, and you're supposed to be a leader. And in my research, a leader supposed to protect the people at all costs. Sir, or you're not protecting the people. Sir, how comes you can't go sign contract and all these things? Protect out the people themselves. They ask you how you sleep at night time. Sir, the blood of Jamaica citizens up on a shoulder. I take a red. We're at King Street right now. Sir, Marcus Garvey prophecy said a political leader and a rule come down the road. And sir, to all me see you a move, be careful because them same young citizens that we are voting in. And them same one. I'm gonna get
Our police are never try to kill.
yeah,
Our
when
soldiers never try to
I
kill.
say the police and the soldier them will kill off the young youth them. Wake up.
Because
Smell the coffee.
Uno are the first somebody never try to
Uno
kill.
are the first somebody gonna get you. So Uno are gonna first. Police, soldier, and nurse and doctor.
And
And Uno
lawyers.
first are gonna we
Uno
are
are the
joking.
backbone of the country.
So be careful. Not even Boona rights protected. Much less. Wake up. Andrew. He's a wicked evil man.
The uncle take out the mask, carbon them.
Is this gonna be voluntary, sir? Or is it mandatory free? Why? I'm gonna get it. Come like this deal I make long before the election done, you know. Anyways, Jamaican people, we have to make Mr. Coldness know say him can't just push things upon the sun. I did a video on this where it talk about where America plan for do to people who don't comply and take the big V for the big C. And like how you are roll with Bill Gates, it's obvious you ready for roll with whatever protocol the US have. You're already doing it. So I'm not going to tarry too long. Just want to make people know, say, the drug, the vaccine, the vaccine where Andrew wants to unleash for the Jamaican people is not even registered in its country of origin. This is a drug. This is a vaccine. This is serious. So why can't I register? Why do I move it if it's not even registered? Do you know what it is? Like me say, you probably already make a deal with the devil. And if you turn back, him take your soul. Your soul probably gone already. No disrespect, you know, the Honorable Andrew Coldness. But, if you call a spade a spade, you sell out the Jamaican people them. Can you even tell them in advance, listen, alright, was it part of your election campaign? No. You know, said nothing about this during the election campaign. But you already know about this before the election. But you hold it down. And then just come out and just drop it upon the people them. Bare teeth you have. Make sure your pocket get lined for that, you know. Make sure your pocket get lined, because the amount of money we are give out under this corona thing here. Doctor I get more money for diagnose people with. Doctor I get more money for put on death certificate. Government I issue out money to people for relief fund. Money is a fly around. So make sure you get some of that flying money. Positive. How couldn't the vaccine make you smile, so? Like me say, your name for change. From the Honorable Andrew Coldness to the Dishonorable Andrew Coldness. Because you know, honor the people them, none at all. You sell them out. Big time. Watch out. I'm not tired no more. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This is
Top Black TV.